Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today is going to be another kind of video and review. We're talking about those Timbiebs. That's going to be the one that Justin Bieber, those kind of new Timbits.
Hey, hi.
Hi. So this is my wife and this is our dog. So now we're going to try my wife. She's going to taste it.
Okay, this looks like a chocolate one. You want it?
Yeah, I'm going to take this guy here.
There's, what's that? It's like sugar and nuts or something. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
And let's taste that.
I can tell you something.
It's not too sweet.
No, it's not bad, but you can see inside is the same thing. It's still a Timbit. You just put more flavor.
That's good.
Yeah, you just put more flavor on it. And you know something? With a coffee, that's perfect for the road. Okay, so that's going to be the review. Here, there's going to be another one. Let me show you a little bit. Et voila. So sorry, I'm shaking. So
Price-wise, was it good?
yeah. Okay.
So these little Timbiebs, I like them.
So we're talking about the price for 10 Timbits. The price Canadian, it's $3.19 before tax. I forgot to tell you. And you have 10 Timbits inside.
Good.
Yeah, not bad. For 10 Timbits, yeah.
I thought, well, that stuff around it there, I thought it was going to be really sweet. But it's not that bad.
What we did exactly, we asked for a box, but we all mix, so like that we can try it and tell you the review. For sure, it's not the kind of tech review, but you know, at least we want to try it, and it's not bad. It's really good. I hope you like this video. If you love it, about me and my wife and Lucky behind us, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.
That way.
Yeah, that way. Subscribe. And see you in the next one. Okay, bye bye everyone.